if you speak to the universe like this, you can manifest all the things that you want. Yes, because the universe is not a non-living space with this astral bodies floating around. It's a very much living organism which is vibrating with energy and which is responding and listening to us all the time. Yes, the universe has the law of attraction, the power of manifestation, and that's why one of the greatest scientists, Nikola Tesla, said, if you want to understand the secret of the universe, then understand in terms of energy and vibration. And it's not just said by scientist Nikola Tesla, but many more scientists who are into quantum physics, who are understanding epigenetics, who are understanding all the quantum theories and minute details. They are already seeing the universe in this way only in terms of energy and vibration. And prior to that, all the spiritual teachers, all the spiritual gurus, all the spiritual masters from across the globe has been talking about it, that the universe is always listening. And if you want to have a good life, if you want to have a positive life, if you want to follow your karma and dharma, you need to understand how it's working and doing the right thing, thinking the right thought, having the right feeling. So how can you infuse and communicate with the universe in the right way for manifestation? Remember the law of attraction. Wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what you manifest. So that is like the core of the law of attraction. So how can you communicate with the universe? So today I'm giving you 5 ways to communicate with the universe. You can apply any of these ways, or you can apply all the 5, or you can do some of them. But these are the ways through which we communicate with the universe. All of you are doing it in one way or another, but knowing it and understanding it is the right thing. So the first thing, law of vibration. Yes, you must have heard many coaches, they say law of attraction versus law of vibration. That's not true. Law of attraction versus law of vibration is never going to beat, because wherever there is an attraction, like Nikola Tesla had said, there is an attraction, means there is a vibration inside. That vibration is creating that attraction or repulsion. So law of vibration is not outside of the law of attraction. The law of vibration is a subset of the law of attraction. So it's important to understand what is the vibration. So how do you communicate with the universe? At the very core of it is with your vibration. That's why it is said, you do not attract what you want, you attract what you are. What you are means, like, how can you be rich to become rich, right? What you are means being in that vibration. So you do not attract what you want, but you attract how you vibrate. If you want to understand it, you do not attract what you want, you attract what you are. What is the simple understanding? You do not attract what you want, you attract how you vibrate. What is your vibration? So now vibration forms in our mind, body and spirit from the time we take birth, with different subconscious belief, everything that we are learning, doing, listening, everything is shaping up our vibration. So at this point in life, all of us has a set of vibration. You are positive about some areas of life, some things of life, and you have all the good manifestation in that area. You are negative about some areas of life, and you have all the negative manifestation in those areas. So manifestation is happening all the time. The universe is always responding to you, but it is giving you in response of how is your vibration. So first thing, to communicate in a better way, to have more positive things, more love, more joy, more happiness, more success, more manifestation in your life, you have to vibrate more positively and more in alignment with that. Now, how can you do it? You can apply one of the another ways. Some people are already in a positive vibration, so they have a lot of manifestation. Some people are very, very good people, but their vibration is very negative. They are good to other people, their vibration is negative. That's why they keep saying, I am a good person, why bad things are happening with me? Because your vibration is not good for yourself and for your life. If you change it, then you can have all the good in life. So, what is the second way to communicate with the universe? The second way to communicate with the universe is the oldest process. What is that? That is prayer. Yes, by prayer, you can connect with the higher power, you can connect with the supreme being, you can connect with the universe. So, in all religious belief across, irrespective of what is your religious belief, which part of the world you are, all of us has been introduced to the power of prayer from the beginning. from childhood. Why? Because it is one of the proven way to communicate with the universe, to the higher power, to the supreme being. So if you pray in the right way, and one of the major mistakes so many people do while praying is only when they have the hardest time they go for prayer and they beg to the higher power to fix their life. That is not the right way to pray. Prayer is every day connecting with the higher power in the right way. And when you have good times, when you have positive things, being grateful, expressing your gratitude is the good way. And then when you have difficult time, you ask for guidance, you ask for the light, you ask to show your path so that you can solve those issues and send all the right people, right resources on your path so that you can do your work, you can play your role, and you can fix your life. That is the right way of doing prayer. So prayer is something that you do every single day with that infinite being, with that supreme being, to build a long-term relationship. Not just on the bad day you go and cry and beg and say that fix my life, and on the good day you forget about it. That is not the right way of communication. Building relationship with the universe, with the higher power, is like nurturing a good relationship. You enjoy and cherish your happiness on the good days, positive days. You be grateful when you receive all the good things, and on the difficult time, on the bad time, you seek that help, guidance, strength. That is the right way of doing prayer. And if it is an eye opener for you, let me know in the comment. Now, the third way of communicating with the universe in the right way is meditation. Yes, meditation is again a old age concept that is deeply rooted, especially in Indian subcontinent. We practice meditation every single day, and meditation is very, very popular these days among people from all walks of life. But it is the oldest way to connect with the universe, listen to the universe, and listen and get the guidance from the universe. Be peaceful, be aligned, being mindful, and seeing everything in the right perspective. When you start meditating, you able to see what all the universe is doing for you, what are all the arrangements are being done. Because when you are not meditating, when you are not mindful, when you are stressful, anxious, you have blind curtains in front of your eyes. So even if opportunities are there, even if good things are there, you are not able to see it. But when you meditate, your mind get calm, you can able to see so many things that are in front of you. So that's when you can able to listen to the universe. So that's why some spiritual teacher says, I don't remember whether it's Buddha or someone say, he said, when we pray, we speak to God, and when we meditate, we listen to God. So let me tell you once again, when we pray, we speak to the universe, and when we meditate, we listen to the universe. If you love this quote, let me know in the comment. So now the third way to communicate with the universe is actually letting the universe know what you desire, what you want to experience, what you want to manifest. So in meditation, you are listening and being mindful and seeing. But the next step, it's the most powerful step. It is visualization or imagination. When you imagine being in that state, what you desiring, what you having, what you are manifesting, being in that state, going into that state, visualizing vividly, clearly, with feelings, with clarity, is the best way to let the universe know what you desire. This is the most powerful way to communicate with the universe, to communicate clearly, efficiently, right way, vividly, and letting the universe know this is what I desire. And I have so many people part of my daily subconscious reprogramming program, DSR community, where people are going into a deeper level of visualization every single day through my guidance. And there is one lady who wanted to buy her dream home for many years, and she was not getting it, and she has seen some picture but it was not available. And one day when we were doing the DSR program, she visualized, I guided all of them to visualize their dream home, and she visualized it, and within 2 days someone came to her, said this particular house is on sale. When she and her husband went to see that house, it's the exact house she wanted to buy. It's the exact house she visualized, and they got the deal. They got at the best price, and the deal was done. She was waiting for 5 years to buy something like that, and she got it. So it means when she communicated to the universe clearly what she wanted, the universe bring that person, that seller, everyone aligned, and she bought it. It was done at that moment. And then the last tip is self talk. Yes, when you are talking to yourself deep within your heart and soul, you are also communicating with the universe. So you are not just talking to yourself, you are talking to the universe. That's why it is said, H within, without. It is written in Upanishad. Means whatever is happening inside of you, you are connecting it, everything that is happening in the universe. So how can you change your self-talk if it is negative? By using positive affirmation. When you use positive affirmation continuously, you change your vibration, you communicate with the universe, you connect with the right frame of mind. That is the best way. So what are these 5 ways to communicate with the universe the right way? First, having the right vibration, law of vibration, vibrating in the right vibration of positivity of what you desire. Then praying, having prayer, practicing prayer, doing prayer consistently every single day. Then meditating, then visualizing, and then affirming or changing your self talk positively. So if you start doing it on a regular basis, connecting with the universe, communicating to the universe what you exactly want and positively what you want to experience, then the universe will open doors and you have such amazing manifestation. And I want all of you to start doing it, and let me know in the comment what is your favorite way of communicating with the universe. And if you are not able to do any of these things by yourself, I invite you to join our powerful daily live program that I'm conducting on Zoom, Daily Subconscious Reprogramming, DSR, where I take all the participants through all these 5 steps every single day, along with many more tools and techniques. And people are having crazy manifestation: money, job, relationship, dream house, dream car. So many manifestations are happening. And if you want to experience, you can come and join our program. I'll put the link in the description. And if you are new here in our YouTube channel, I am Ajay Mishra, India's leading law of attraction coach and manifestation mentor. I have been teaching for last 15 years and helping people manifest all kinds of goals, desires and dreams. And now it's your turn. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, be a part of our manifestation tribe, because this is the beginning of your manifestation journey, and you can do, have or be anything and everything that you want. Keep manifesting. Keep focusing on your dreams, because you have the power within you to manifest your dreams. Never ever doubt yourself. Keep going forward, keep believing, keep manifesting, because you have the power within you. Happy manifesting. Stay connected. Watch the next video to start manifesting in the right direction. Thank you.